Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying account linkage so you don't lose progress. Sign into the game and check profile settings. Once done, sign out of the Xbox app or Microsoft Store on the device. Make sure you close Sea of Thieves first. You need the new Microsoft account credentials handy. This is crucial because you will switch accounts and reauthorize access. Doing this prevents confusion between profiles and makes the upcoming sign-in step fast, secure, and predictable. Now you'll change the account inside the platform. If you're on PC, open the Xbox app or Microsoft Store, select your profile, and choose Sign Out. Then launch Sea of Thieves and pick Sign In with a different Microsoft account. If you're on console, switch the console user to the profile linked to the new Microsoft account before launching the game. This step rebinds your game session to the correct account because Sea of Thieves uses Microsoft Play Fab linking for saves and purchases. Finish by confirming your Sea of Thieves profile and progression are visible under the new Microsoft account. Check cosmetics and voyage progress. If purchases or items are missing, relink subscriptions and verify purchase history in the Microsoft account settings. This fixes entitlement mismatches. If sign-in fails, clear the app cache, restart the device, and try again. If problems persist, contact Microsoft or Sea of Thieves support for account migration help. This ensures your progress and purchases stay intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.